Right. So, Toyota are stupid. I'm not being funny, but they are. So this is a 10mm spline. Okay, it's a 10mm spline. The standard way to do a 10mm spline, right, is triple square. Okay, which means that these points are 90 degrees, and you get more material keying because of the depth of the spline, right? But what Toyota have done is they've made their head bolts to be dual hex, right? Which has 12 points the same, but the angles are 120 degrees and not 90 degrees, and it means that the depth isn't as great, right? Now, it seems to me that the 10mm, this is a 10mm, and it seems to be that the 10mm is actually measured on the internal diameter. So the splines are actually protruding beyond the 10mm. Because I was trying to think, right, okay, well, it doesn't matter, because if the diameter of that tool is 10mm, because these are 10mm, then I should be able to fit that in, and the fact that it, that the depth of the splines is greater shouldn't matter. It should just slot in. I should be able to use it. Except for I can't. This won't go in. This is a 10mm and it won't go in. It just kind of sits on the top and it won't go in. And it's like, well, why won't it go in? And it's probably because the 10mm is measured across the internal diameter between the recesses. Right? This is a 9mm and that goes in quite fine. Okay. Now, I've looked around to try and find the right tool, and you can't get them. And of course the reason why you can't get them is because they're crap. Nobody uses dual hex splines because the triple square is a superior spline, and so that's why I've got this set here. And it's got I thought, oh, it doesn't matter, and I thought I got the right ones actually, because I thought it was triple hex, it was triple square, but they're not. They're dual hex. And I thought, well, it'd be fine because they're 12 points. But I'm pretty sure it's the internal diameter. I'm going to measure them up when I go back in, and I'll bet you the 10mm is across the internal diameter, which means that the triple squares actually protrude further, and so they won't go in, and they bloody don't, which is quite crap. So I'm going to do it now.